So today is quite a big day for me mentally. I'm at this sand track today that I haven't been to in almost 2 years. The last time I was here, I had a really bad crash and I ended up breaking a bunch of my ribs and I had a bunch of internal bleeding. My lungs were bleeding and all messed up, and I spent some nights in the hospital. So this is like kind of a mental battle to come back here and ride this track again. I know I'll be perfectly fine. I just got to ease myself into it and have a good day. Alright, I got this one. Yeah, small. We got it, no problem. Man, that sand is deep over there, dude. Not going to touch this one yet. I wrecked on that one really bad a long time ago. Roll the clip. But I think mainly the big thing with the sand is just staying on the throttle like all the time. Squeezing really tight and staying on the throttle. This is the corner that I crashed in and broke my ribs. I'm gonna be extra careful in that one. Got him. Okay, no problem. We're conquering them left and right. Honestly, it seems like the corners are what's going to mess me up the most, not the jumps. Alright, we got that. Next lap, no problem. Alright, D-Rag, confidence, you got it. Yes, sir! This one's huge. That's like 100 feet. I think like 4th gear. Just I've never had the confidence to hit it. Maybe I'll do it today. I don't know if the risk is worth it for me. Woo! That was deep. I could totally do that. I've never done that little triple thing. It's small, but I've never done it. Gotta get the confidence up and just hit it. Got it. No problem. These jumps are easy, man. Just gotta get the speed, the flow, commit. Next time, you got it, D-Rag. You got it. Yes, sir! Just gotta have confidence in yourself, man. Trust your instincts. Trust your instincts and go for it. A little bit too short on that one. Sketched. Scared me a little bit. Alright, we sent it. We went for it. Now I know how far I gotta hit it. I cased it, but we tried it. Alright, let's just send this one all the way. There we go. There we go. Fuck yeah. He's like jumping down that air and the shit out of it. Alright, a good couple of warm-up laps. What a nice way for you to treat your new KTM. Like the garbage it is. sketchy. Both me and Udi are like going sideways. See, I'm just going so slow. We're just bouncing around like I'm on a fucking Bronco. Stay standing up, go a little bit faster. I didn't trust myself. I didn't lean. Damn it. Go down to second, squeeze, enter with more speed. I need to keep entering with more speed. I'm going too slow into it. I just suck at the sand in the corners, man. See, in the sand, it seems like when you commit to the lean, you just squeeze and hold it wide open. It just sucks you in so nice. Just gotta tell myself that every corner. Go faster and faster. Woo. Yes! That was better. Dude, that corner is sick. Basically flat. Not sure I like those rollers. They used to be jumps, now they're just rollers. Nope. Definitely my best corner yet through there. Felt good. Yes, sir. I gotta make my own lines that I'm good at. See? I always tuck my elbow, I think. And that's why I always drop my front end in those sandy ruts. I gotta think about my inside elbow constantly. That was better. Stay in third. Keep the elbow up. Make the inside line. Yes! Whoa! Little far. That might be the most fun section now. I thought it was the sketchiest, but it might be my favorite. Oh, see, that landing is sketchy, and you gotta be like wide open all the way up that jump face. Ooh, I don't know, guys. I don't know if I got it in me to try that one. Oh no, not my goggles. Into the sand. Like I was saying, this is like 100-something foot double. I might be in the way. Oh my God, you did it. He sent the shit out of it, dude. That's so sick. Udi has no fear, man. He has no fear at all. He's crazy. I'm seeing him like swap the whole way up the straightaway here, and he still sends it. He still goes for it. All right, y'all, that's going to be the end of the motovlog today. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.